When it comes to cleaning up, every job has different requirements. When you require portable power, the Rigid 4-gallon wet dry vac is just what you need. The 5-peak horsepower motor is the same powerhouse used in vacuums that are 3 times its size. Attach the 7-foot tug-along locking hose that won't pull loose during use. Choose the extension wands, multi-purpose nozzle, or utility nozzle, conveniently stored on board. The perfectly positioned switch lets you go right after the mess. The large rear wheels and 360-degree front casters allow for great maneuverability. You'll also appreciate the easy-to-open latches for quick access to the drum and the quick lock filter that simply snaps on and off for easy cleaning. This 3-layer filter traps fine debris like drywall dust. With one quick move, you can lock the same hose into the blower port and use your vacuum in a whole new way. When the job is done, wrap the extra-long 20-foot power cord around the easy-to-carry handle and store the compact vac almost anywhere. It comes with Rigid's industry-leading limited lifetime warranty that gives you peace of mind. The Rigid 4-gallon, portable power and durability in one compact package.